And it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And it's kind of late in the day, but I got a few minutes. My paint's all still out, and I want to play with the colors I've got and try some odd, obnoxious things. I want to take this pan of colors and do something with land on the bottom, which seems kind of odd to me. But anyway, I'm just going to go for it, because often going for it is what works. And I want to try some different combinations. And once I have something here, that's going to lead me to go right there. This time I'm going to try and use whatever's on my spatula as I swipe to cover my edge, because that just seems like a good idea to me, especially on the top. Get that covered first with a combination of colors, then I don't have to worry about it quite as much as I go along. Those cells right there, I use no silicone in my artwork, in my colors, but those cells there remind me that I have a beautiful purple color that I could put in there and be pretty happy about. So this is a hit and run, but that's okay, because it's all in fun. And now I'm a poet, and I know it. I know. Just going to grab some more of that color. I seldom use the neon pink. It doesn't mean I don't like it. It's just I'm neon pink shy. Going to knock that spatula off all the way across the top, run my finger over there. And because my paint is so wet, I can probably do some curious things, including, but not limited to, adding some other colors, including white. Where is it? There we go. That'll work. And my straw, and if I like that I'll do more, and if I don't I'll swipe it in. You can get away with all kinds of things while the paint is wet. It will not necessarily work when it is dry. Okay, so what else do I see here? Don't ask me why. Do I like it? Nope. But I bet I like what comes. And I am going to go ahead and go down a little further. I know you guys, some of you think you can't do this, but I think you can. So just know that about me. I think you can do it. Think you won't know until you try. And if you don't get it right the first time, it doesn't mean you can't do it. It just means you didn't get it right the first time. So there's me wiping off my spatula on the top. It occurs to me that I use that straw for all kinds of stuff, so why not this? And if I like that, if I like those cells so much, maybe I ought to... Wow. I wasn't actually expecting that. So I'm just going to mix it up a little, blend it in. Because I can. The name of my first volume on the Amazon link. Now joined by volume 2. Or very shortly thereof. And that would be called Unlimited Possibilities, Acrylic Pouring. What do I really want to do with that sky? Not much. It's pretty cool. I would like my edges to be good sometime, but I kind of figured that you can frame these if you're interested. And I really want to find that purple I keep talking about. Where are you? You're hiding from me, purple. You're not here. That might work. That's not really what I was looking for, though. Let's see if that works. Oh, that's metallic. Yes, I am. I'm just playing in paint. It's my thing. Do what you want to do. Yeah, I don't sing either. I used to, though. So I kind of like that. I mean, I can show it to you guys. I'd like to just keep knocking the spatula off on the edge and have it cover, but there's no guarantee that it's going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to take what I've got here and throw a bunch of green in there. I never did clear that tip, darn. Okay, well, that's okay. Because I'm going to ribbon dribble it in traveling ring pour style, and it will cover as it wants to, and I'm going to use some more dark purple. Where are you, dark purple? That's Prussian blue. And there's the dark purple. I really want some copper in there, so I'm going to shake that up. Now, rather than do any mixing or anything, I'm just going to go crazy. Short trip. And just drip that everywhere. And then use my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula to... the dogs are getting yelled at for barking. It's the time of year in Florida where you can keep your doors open for a change. It's not horribly hot. And it has been pretty cold, but it's not right now. So I'm going to throw all these other things that don't belong next to me at all in the bucket and get them out of my way and grab an edge catcher. So this edge catcher is not a good edge catcher because I left it in the sun and it warped, so I need something better. That's not better, but this will work really well. Got to wipe them off sometimes because the sand builds up. So I want to go over and then up. You know what I really want to do? I really want to do that. Don't ask me why. Because purple makes nice mountains, I guess. There may actually be too much pattern in this. It's a possibility. But I think by the time I finish choosing my paint flow trajectory, it'll be okay. I hope. I did one of these recently that I wasn't overly super thrilled with, and it definitely needs another coat of something. I kind of want to put something dark in there. I really kind of wish I'd put some black in there, to tell you the truth. I'm rocking my edge catcher to cover my bottom. Looks like the perfect landscape to put Dr. Seuss trees in, which I have been doing recently, finally. If I tip that right straight over and let it roll down, I can rock my edge catcher to cover and then flow it back in. Somebody's got a sneeze attack. One twin does not care for the other one. That is not really my favorite scape. So I really... Hey, you guys are playing, aren't you? Okay, I get it. So what do I want to put in there? Something. I guess it's a start. It's a tree start. That doesn't make any sense. I've got some of this nice art mines that I haven't used for a while. Almost out of daylight. I really want some black. I think the black is the only thing that's going to make me happy. And it's a risk worth taking. Once I get in there, if I don't like it, I will put a basting brush or some chain in there. And I'm really considering letting the paint flow off and then putting it back in, which I can do just like that, which I like a lot better than what I had. So whatever I've got is better than what I had for me. And I like it now. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of effort to give yourself permission to change your mind. Do something else. Yes, I like that. And I bet I get some mountains if I tip that up. How am I going to get it up? It's all stuck to the... There we go. It occurs to me that I can blow on some of that. There's definitely stuff going on. Oh, I got another waterfall. Cool. Purple river and a turquoise waterfall. Do I have any more paint? I kind of do, and I kind of don't, and I want to take whatever's on my blade, which isn't much right now, I gotta say. And use it up. We are done for the day. I gotta say that the sun is pretty well gone. Looks like my mountain's going to go all the way up there. It doesn't matter if I get too much paint on my tile right now, because I'm done for the day. Here we go. A strange landscape. Well, I don't know about the tree, but I've got enough time left to put a moon in there. Wow, they're really obnoxious tonight. That's my fault. That was bad. Okay. Well, I guess there's going to be some texture on my moon. Can you not say stuff like that while I'm recording, please? Excuse us. I'm still recording. He probably didn't expect that because it's so late. But I'm as done as I need to be for right now. Other than maybe adding a tree at some point in time or not. I like my little outcroppings. I am going to torch. Let me see if I like my green area. Blowing the river on course. Okay, well, we'll call it Howling 30. I'm going to torch to get rid of the bubbles in the paint. Not that there should be any in the top. I don't know what that was, but it's gone now. We got some texture in our sky, that'll be fine. I'm not sure that's the moon anymore, it could just be some strange planet. If I put a tree on the hill, that might happen tomorrow. It could happen. My mountain needs to keep going up because I'm leaking paint everywhere. Got great cells, no silicone in the paint, GAC 800, paint pouring recipes under the video, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. If you give me a thumbs up, it makes me happy. Please share my videos when you can and binge watch. On my channel, you'll find over 925 videos. Also, 9 playlists of 100 and 11 playlists of genres. So you can almost always be happy if you visit my channel. With finding what you're looking for in mind, you'll find something good. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery saying, I hope you shop my Amazon link. It helps me out at no added cost to you. And there's cool stuff there. I do sell my artwork. I got a streaky sky. It's okay. And a pink moon. I think a little more white in there. That's pretty cool though. The pink moon, I mean. I cleaned that skewer off, I swear I did. Maybe a clean one. A really clean one. Even the really clean ones are schmutzing me up. Okay, so I like texture on my moon, what can I say? I love you guys. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard. Reminding you again, please give me a thumbs up. And I give private art lessons at the house in Spring Hill. And shop my Teespring. The clothing under the video has awesome leggings and all over print t-shirts with my art on it. It's well worth the trouble of going there, although it is a little troublesome going there. Yeah, I've got interesting textures going on in my sky. It's maybe a little too much in a hurry tonight. You guys take care. I'll see you anon. It's nice you can still see that at all, actually. It's so dark out here right now. So I'll see you, hopefully check the community board or check my Facebook group called Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation for students. And you can usually find out what the video is going to be for tomorrow on either one of those places. And go to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors if you want to be a fan or you're a collector. Bye now. Love you guys. Thanks for all the great comments and thanks for the contributions. And if you want to be in the monthly drawing, check the exhibition video on the end screen for prizes. Bye now.